How much is your property earning for you? And how if I show you a property that can generate 15% annual ROI? Welcome to the breathtaking 3-bedroom villas in Uluwatu. With a total building area of 284 square meters, this property was built above 265 square meters of land area with 30 square meters swimming pool decorated with the white sand beaches and tropical concept. This home is all about easy, airy living, skylights, and a big floor-to-ceiling window, doors that flood with the natural lights. You'll love waking up to the beautiful sunrise, winding down with sunset, and yes, you will feeling connected to the outdoor, all from the comfort of this living room. This villa comes with a fully equipped kitchen and dining table, styled with the beautiful decorative arches and wood cabinetry. Well, it's perfect for everyday living. It's a 3-bedroom villas, all with ensuite bathroom and generous wardrobe. Well, the good news is it's a 25 years of leasehold period time with an extension option of 20 additional years. So, are you ready to generate 15% annual ROI? Contact BBR Property right now. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!